Hello, my name is Montana Lewis. I'm a veteran from the Marine Corps. Was just coming through straight through Goldsboro, and then guy was texting on his phone, just hit me straight from the back. Next thing I know, I remember waking up in the hospital. Suffer from back pain, knee pain, head hitting the windshield. So it was really a traumatic experience. First thing I did, I called my mom. She said, need to find the best attorney. And then I looked online, I found Riddle and Riddle, just reached out to them, they reached back out to me, and it just took off. The accident was really traumatic, but the process growing through it made it better though. Felt like they actually felt my pain, what I was going through. They were calling me every day, telling me what this insurance said, what that insurance said, and it really got me the max benefit that I could ever ask for. I'm very satisfied. Shout out to whole Riddle and Riddle because they really did come through.